I don't often share sales data on this channel because I want the videos to be about you and not about me. However, I did make a couple sales recently and I wanted to share them with you simply for motivational sake. And I've also got 3 tips to help you get that home run sale. So here's one that I got just the other day, and check out that total margin. It's $3.89. And so this is a sticker. And so, you might think, well, $3.89 isn't a whole lot, but if you make that sale every day, if you make 2 sales a day, that could be $7 a day. That adds up over the course of a month. But I'm talking about the home run, which is, for example, here's one on Redbubble. This is a canvas print, and the margin here, now I'm in Canada, but it was $11.54. Here's the email that you get when you make a sale, and you can see the amount at the top. And it's nice to see the denomination of the currency because it tells you where in the world it's going. Not that you can do anything about it, but it's kind of cool to think that somebody maybe in the United Kingdom is going to hang my 2 canvas prints on their wall somewhere. And then here's another one that I got, and this was 22 pounds. And so this one was 3 canvas prints. So I've got 3 tips that I'm hoping if you use these tips, they're mindsets and they're motivational tips, but they're things you can actually do to help you get these bigger item sales. My first tip is you want to make sure on Redbubble or TeePublic or whatever you're doing to activate all the products. What happens sometimes is that people only are thinking in terms of t-shirts, and t-shirts are great, but they're neglecting things like stickers because maybe the margins are too low, but they're also not even thinking in terms of shower curtains and canvas prints because they think, well, who's going to spend, $100 on a canvas print? People do. And so, it's nice to get that $11 or $12 sale. The second tip I've got is to think in multiples. So here's an example of what I mean by thinking in multiples. Let's pretend you're making a sticker. So you've got a cat design with no words on it, and you put it on a t-shirt, and you put it on a shower curtain. Well, ask yourself, is there any circumstance where that sticker you could sell 30 or 40 or 50 copies of that sticker? Because if you're making, say, 50 cents, and someone buys 50 stickers, well, that's a $25 sale. So ask yourself, why would somebody buy 25 or 35 or 50 stickers? Well, who uses a lot of stickers? Could be a day home, could be a teacher. So by adding a little bit of text to your beautiful graphic, you can now make it totally usable as a sticker that somebody would buy not just 1 or 2, but they might buy 10, 20, 30, or 50 of them. Tip number 3 is to have like designs. And so what happens is if somebody wants to hang artwork in their home, they might just not want to get 1. They might want to get 2 or 3. So I would encourage you when you're making artwork, have a collection that's not only maybe the same niche, but it's stylistically the same. And what'll happen is somebody may buy 1 and then think, well, geez, if I'm going to buy 1 and I'm already paying for the shipping, it makes sense to buy 2 or 3. And that way you can 3 times your sales that you would normally get. You could 3x your sales. So I hope you found that helpful. We've got 3 concrete tips here that you can use to take your Redbubble journey to the next level. Yes, it's one thing to upload designs, but it's another thing to upload designs with a purpose to increase your chances of making that big home run sale. Here's another video where you can up your Redbubble game. Thanks a lot for watching.